My father was arrested. He was turned in to the police by the rabbis, no less, by a rabbi who didn't think that a Jewish boy should be armed. This was in 1906 and 1907 in Russia. And of course, for a Jew to possess weapons was a capital offense. And the only saving thing in Russia was that bribes were readily accepted. So he was released on the condition that he leave town and the country that same day. And this was in Nikolaev, which is a port city in the Black Sea. So my dad got the first boat out of Nikolaev, which happened to go to Egypt. So he went to Egypt in Alexandria. And my grandfather, it was recommended that for his asthma he should be in a warm climate. So the family moved to Egypt. My father left Egypt and went back to Russia and became active in Western Russia, in Belarus and Lithuania and Poland. But the family remained. And of course, there were other Jewish families in Alexandria. My grandfather organized a drama group, which was a lot of the people from the drama group, when they went to Israel, became part of the Habima. But he remained in Alexandria. He did not move to Israel or to Palestine. One of the people in that group was Elaine's mother, Vera Benowitz, so Vera Zimmerman at the time. And I had no idea that they existed or whatnot. She came to the United States and she married someone and settled in Hartford, Connecticut. My dad was a lecturer and he often went to Hartford and he lectured in Hartford and he stayed with the Benowitzes. Okay? Now, I was in the Army, and since I was a graduate engineer, they put me into reserves for where they needed engineers, which was up at Ohio State. And we were there like an assembly point. We theoretically took courses, but the main thing I learned was how to play bridge, and we found that the girls' hall was the best place to hang around to get out of duty. So one day, I think it was some holiday, maybe Washington's birthday. Everybody from the locals was away, and there were three of us. We went to the Hillel, and they had records there, and I found some Red Army songs. So I put them on, and a girl comes in, and she recognized the songs. We started talking, and I'm from New York, she's from Hartford. And from Hartford, my father travels to Hartford occasionally to lecture. And what's his name? Moishe Katz. And of course she knew, and she was friends with my aunt, the family who lived in Springfield. And she knew my cousin Carmi, so she knew the family. I didn't. So the rest was natural.